Hey guys, JB Does Code here. I'm going to apologize now because I'm a little sick, so I might sound a little weird, but I am going to do this video anyways. So today's topic will be the difference between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, also known as hypertext markup language, has to do with all the information that is within a web page. That has nothing to do with the way it looks, where it's at, or any functionality that might be added later. Here's an example. This is a picture because I like seeing this. Here you can see this has nothing to do with anything that happens to Hello World. Hello World is just text that is being added to the web page. CSS is known as cascading style sheets, and it has a lot to do with how your information is displayed. And this was a good picture because, see, as in header 1, it shows the font, its position, and where it's at. And it has some for pictures and tables and stuff like that. But this only has to do with format and stuff like that. After this one is JavaScript. JavaScript has to do with a lot of the functionality and display that you see. Like if stuff is happening on your web page, it's probably happening through the JavaScript. And to explain that best, you can see this little chart. HTML is structural, which has to do with all the stuff that is added, such as text, and maybe you could have classes of people or something like that along the lines, but it has nothing to do with the presentation or how it behaves. CSS is the presentation layer, as I explained. So that has to do a lot with text size, different text settings, placement of pictures, stuff like that. JavaScript is the top layer that you see the most because it is the functionality of everything. JavaScript allows me to go on this and have these pull down bars and stuff like that. A lot of ads are created by JavaScript, and games are almost basically all JavaScript. So that's the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video. These are my other two videos. My first video was my biggest influence, where I talk about some of my biggest influences in the technology field. And what is GitHub and a pull request? There's not much explaining I need to do on that one. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on anything. I'm JB Does Code on Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. All right, thank you, and have a good day.